Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to add social networks in Roblox. Why would you want to know how to add social networks in Roblox? Well, maybe it is your first time using Roblox and not sure how to add social networks in Roblox. So today I am going to show you how to add social networks in Roblox. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding social networks and Roblox is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Roblox. Now you are seeing different options in left corner. Click on button having three dots. Now click on settings. Click on account info. Scroll down. Here you are seeing social networks. Add social links here and then press save. There you go. If you wanted to know how to add social networks in Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.